Welcome again. Today I'm going to show you how to cut a basic shape in Cricut. Let's open a new grid and make sure we start fresh. Open the shape library and select the square. Cricut has many shapes that are free to use. Other more complicated shapes, though, require a 99-cent subscription. Once inserted, select the square and press Edit. For the dimensions, insert ½ inch for both the width and the height. Afterwards, insert the coordinates for the H and V position, 0.25. Once again, go into Shape Library and select a simple shape of your choosing. In this case, I selected the heart. You can adjust the size however you want. To continue, adjust the coordinates of the new shape you just inserted. Remember to base your positioning around the cut reference. Once your position is finalized, select both the heart and square, and then select the Attach button. The Attach button is the paperclip icon. Pressing Make It will bring up a pop-up with different size mats. Choose the appropriate mat and then proceed. Again, we are in the cut preview and we see the red lines that demonstrate the cut margins. Once you have finalized the positioning, hit Next in the top right corner. Now select the material of your choosing, and in this case, it's leather. Now we can finally load our mat into the machine. The machine is ready, so we can press the cut button, which is the Cricut logo. Now you can sit back, relax, and watch it go to work. The cut came out great, guys. Now the best part, peeling it off. Looking forward to see what everyone makes. Make sure to post and tag us on all socials.